Hi, I'm Lisa Donahue. I'm the service manager here at Land Rover Scarborough. Let's go meet the team.
Hi, I'm Joel Hall. I'm a service advisor here at Land Rover Scarborough.
Hi, my name is Brian Copeland. I'm a service advisor here at Land Rover Scarborough.
Hi, Tom Verrillo. I'm the Land Rover tech.
Hi, I'm Pete Warren, the shop foreman here at Land Rover Scarborough.
I'm Dylan Roberts. I'm a Land Rover certified technician here at Land Rover Scarborough.
Hi, my name's John Cheesebro. I'm a certified tech at Land Rover.
Hi, I'm Randy Breen. I'm a certified tech here at Land Rover in Scarborough, Maine.
So I've been in the business for just about 7 years.
I've been a service advisor for 20 years.
We've been doing this for about 19 years.
I've been a tech for a little over 2 years.
Just over 17 years, I guess.
7 years now.
Over 10 years.
8 or 9 years.
Things I like about working at Land Rover Scarborough: exciting brand, products always changing.
Well, just like working on the Land Rovers. I mean, it's unique. There's not many people that do it compared to some of the other brands.
What I like most about what I do is talking to customers, explaining to them as much as they need to know about what their cars need and how they work.
It's complicated, but it's fun. These things are like a jigsaw puzzle. There's always something different.
It's challenging. It's one of those things that, you know, you got to be up for.
I love my whole team. We really are a family here. The technicians work so hard and they are amazing at what they do. They come in day after day and they are amazing teachers to help one another, and they continue to kill it with challenges on the dailies.
Oh, those guys are great. They're awesome with the customers, building a rapport with them, and also us out here. They're good about communicating and being fair with paying time, and it's good. I rather enjoy like the atmosphere.
You can go talk to anyone. You can call any of the tech support, and everyone's very helpful all the time.
All of the technicians that we have working here have been working here for a while. We have not only resources in the shop with our technicians, we have training programs that are in New Jersey, you know, that we like to send the technicians to. And the vehicles themselves at times can be challenging, but this is such a great company and a great, you know, starting point for anyone who thinks they may have any kind of interest in becoming a Land Rover technician.